Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add subtitles to your video using the Filmora mobile app. Let's get started. For open your Filmora app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on New Project. Now select the video you want to add subtitles from your phone's gallery. Tap Import. Once your video is in the editor, look at the bottom toolbar, tap on the text. Here you can see many options. Tap on add. The symbol looks like T. Now you will see a list of styles. Look for the one that says subtitles or lower thirds. These are usually simple and perfect for subtitles. Tap on one and hit add or use to apply it to your video. If there is no subtitles or lower thirds, tap on here in the text. Tap anything you want. You can also change the font size, color and position to make it easy to read. After that, drag the ends of the subtitles layer in the timeline to make it show up at the exact time you want. Just drag on it, or you can also use it. To add more subtitles, repeat the same steps. Tap text, another subtitles or edit the text. Once you are done adding all your subtitles, tap play to preview your video. Then tap the export icon in the top right. Choose your quality settings and save it to your phone. And that's it. You have just added subtitles in the Filmora mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.